Beyond the crowded shores of the famous islands lies a place where time seems to hold its breath. This is Sumba, the Land of Humba. Here, nature isn't just a backdrop, it's a living masterpiece. From the sapphire depths of Weekuri Lagoon to the surreal dancing mangroves of Walakiri, the landscapes are as raw as they are beautiful. But Sumba's soul is found in its villages. Here, the Marapu ancestors are still honored. You'll find houses with soaring roofs that touch the clouds and hand-woven Ikat textiles that tell stories of 1,000 years. For the explorer, Sumba offers rugged canyons and hidden waterfalls like Tanggedu. And if you're lucky, you'll witness the Pasola, a thunderous display of ancient horsemanship and tradition. This isn't just a destination, it's a lesson in harmony. Through sustainable tourism, Sumba protects its heritage, ensuring that its beauty remains as untouched tomorrow as it is today. The land of the kings, the home of the spirit. Some places change you long after you've left their shores. This is Sumba. Listen closely and let the silence tell you the rest.